Hi, here's my project this week. You've got all of the explosives, everything works, the links work. Okay. Anyway, and then the pictures are links, and so then we've got this view that shows everything, and then we've got this that also works and shows everything, and it is responsive. My navigation bar is broken, but yep, it's good. It responds pretty good. So if I close out of that, you've got that. And here is it in big form. And then it has valid HTML and valid CSS. And I think that was it because you're supposed to get this to work and be a link and call in everything that we'd like. So there you go. I think that's my project this week. Thank you for all your help. Bye.